Calendly versus Microsoft Bookings. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about which one of these platforms is the best meeting scheduler that you can use for yourself. Okay, and obviously if you clicked on this video, you're probably in the dynamic of which one of these two to choose when it comes to your scheduling. Okay, now Microsoft 365 is a massive suite of tools ranging from household names like Word and PowerPoint to more obscure apps. So, you have applications like Clipchamp and a whole lot more. Now, Microsoft Bookings itself, which is included with Microsoft 365, is an alternative to better knowing meetings. Okay. So, it's a better known meeting scheduler app, just like our app Calendly over here. Now, let's get this out of the way. You probably haven't seen Microsoft Bookings on many best meeting scheduler lists. Rather than competing directly against powerful apps like Calendly, it has more to do with offering essential features to get users to stay within the Microsoft ecosystem. All right. But Microsoft 365 has hundreds of millions of paid users, and if you're comparing Microsoft Bookings to Calendly, you're probably one of them. So here's the big question. Is it actually worth to pay for Calendly, or should you just use Microsoft Bookings to, meet your needs at no extra cost? Now, I have used Calendly for years and recently tested Microsoft Bookings to compare the two products head to head. All right. Now, when it comes to looking at them at a glance, Microsoft Bookings is best for the Microsoft 365 users on a budget. Okay. The people on a budget and the people who already use the Microsoft suite, this is definitely for you. Okay. Because if you're looking for a basic scheduling solution that gives you proper one-off meetings, this is definitely the plan you're looking for. Calendly, on the other hand, is the best for solopreneurs and teams, especially if you rely on advanced scheduling features like workflows, automations, and paid bookings that you can all find over here. It's easy to use and integrates with, well with tools outside of the Microsoft ecosystem like Zoom and even Google Calendar. Now, let's go ahead and actually talk about the pricings for both of these. Now, Microsoft Bookings prices is included in the Microsoft 365, which costs as low as the $6 per user per month and comes up with a dozens of apps and integrations. Okay, and obviously the plans and pricings go on for 12.50, 22, and even 8.25. Calendly's bookings and pricings, on the other hand, are cost of 12-month, which is pretty reasonable, okay? But its per user pricing adds up fast for teams, and its free plan can meet basic scheduling needs. So obviously you can work along with that according to, however you use this. And when it comes to ease of use, they both work with each other pretty incredibly. Now, Microsoft Bookings is obviously the more affordable option, but Calendly is the more easier to use option. So the, great user interface and amazing features to work along with have much more ease of use, and Calendly also has much more advanced features than Microsoft Booking. Now, Calendly's features for teams are definitely more robust as well, and Calendly offers more integrations, but Microsoft Bookings, on the other hand, syncs seamlessly with any Microsoft Office, product or anything like that. So, these are the details and these are the main similarities and differences between Microsoft Bookings and Calendly. So obviously it's up to you to choose which one's best for you. In my personal opinion, if you're running a small team or a business enterprise, Calendly is definitely for you. But if you're in an organization that totally works around the Microsoft suite, then Microsoft Bookings is the product for you. Till then, that is all from me. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.